Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. In Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe we're gonna do for you guys today. So we're gonna do an easy recipe. So if you come home from work and you want to cook something quickly, this is the recipe. We're gonna look up for corned beef and rice guys. So thank you guys to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys to support Selvin Kitchen, I really appreciate it. So in Selvin Kitchen guys today we're gonna do corned beef and rice. Very easy, delicious recipe coming up soon in Selvin Kitchen guys. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today guys. We're gonna look at our easy, delicious recipe. So today we're gonna look at we ain't gonna season up the meat, we ain't gonna clean up the meat. So we're gonna look at corned beef and white rice. Very easy recipe. If you're tired and you guys want to do something new, you want to come home and you don't want to clean up the meat, you want to cook something, so this is an easy, delicious recipe. You guys can follow this recipe and it's very easy to do. So before I do guys, so we have half a cup of green peas, we have half a cup of sweet corn, we have a half of yellow bell pepper, we have 4 finely chopped mushroom, we have a half of onion, white onion. So we have 1 small tomato, we have a piece of scotch bonnet pepper. So I ain't gonna use all of the scotch bonnet pepper, I'm just gonna cut it in 2. We have 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We have a pinch of all-purpose season. We have a half a teaspoon of salt. We have a pinch of onion powder. Over here we have 2 cups of white rice. And we're gonna wash our rice in a minute. Over here we have 3 cups of water. So stay tuned guys, in Selvin Kitchen, corned beef and white rice guys. So what we're gonna do now guys, we're just gonna add in the green peas and the sweet corn. And then after we're gonna wash our rice and put in our rice. So we're just adding the sweet corn and the green peas, and then we're gonna add in the salt. So if you need any more salt, you guys can taste it. Put the salt to your like. A lot of people don't take salt, so put the salt to your preference. And if you don't want to cook with salt, you still can prepare it same way. So right about now, I'm just gonna wash the rice. So I'm just gonna wash the rice guys. So whenever you're cooking the rice, if you want, you can wash your rice, but me, I wash my rice. So I'm giving you, if you want, wash your rice. I can't tell nobody not to wash them rice, but normally every time I'm cooking my rice, I wash my rice. So if you don't wash your rice, it's up to you guys, but every time I'm cooking my rice, I wash my rice. So I ain't gonna tell nobody, wash your rice, this and that. No, if you want, you wash your rice. If you don't want, it's up to you, but every time I'm cooking rice, I wash my rice. I want to get all of this, so this starch out of the rice, all of that, we don't want that inside of it. So we get that rice out. So we're gonna wash it around 3 times. Nice warm water. Get that out. Gonna wash it one more time. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna add in the rice. This is a quick video I'm doing in Selvin Kitchen today guys. Nothing too long. Just come home and outside is rain is falling. Outside is very cold. So I just come home and say alright then. Yesterday I cooked a nice brown stew red snapper. You guys can check out that video. I was using live cooking yesterday. So today, just want to do something easy, something very quick. Every time you want to do the long cooking. So let's put in the rice, give that rice a nice little stir. So I'm gonna add in a little pinch of vegetable oil in it. So give that a stir. As soon as it starts to boil up and the water start to go down, you give it a stir again, because you want to mix in all of that green peas, all of that sweet corn. So I'm just going to turn up the fire Let it start boil. Yes, my beautiful people, so the water in the pot is going down on the rice. So now you can mix around that sweet corn and that green peas. You want everything to mix right and properly in the pot. I don't put a lot of sweet corn and a lot of green peas, just to give it a little bit of coloring. As I said before, guys, I don't like a lot of bland food. The food is plain, you have no color in it. So what I'm gonna do now, like the water is going right down now, I'm gonna turn down this fire very low and let it take time and steam. Soon as the water go down like that, guy, my apology people, you turn it right down and let it steam right down. You don't want to turn it up too high, so turn on the stove very low now and put the lid on it. If you can put a piece of file paper over it, but I just ain't gonna put no file paper over it today. Just gonna turn it right down and let that steam. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna prepare my corned beef now. So yes, my beautiful people, so now I'm just gonna prepare for the corned beef. Just gonna add in the vegetable oil. If you need any more oil, you can add some more oil to it if you guys want. It's up to you guys. Before that, just gonna add in the onion. Gonna add in the onion and the mushroom together. So this is a different type of recipe I'm doing today in Selvin Kitchen. So add in the onion and the mushroom together, and then I'm gonna add in the bell pepper, the tomato, gonna make that brown up for a bit before I add in my piece of scotch bonnet pepper and then my garlic powder and a bit of all-purpose seasoning. You don't want to put no salt in this, guys, because it's corned beef already, salt already. So don't add any salt to that.
Say what you want to say to me now.
Yes, my beautiful people, so this brown off a bit now. You don't want to brown off too much. Then I'm gonna put in the corned beef. Remember, the corned beef already pre-cooked already, so you can eat the corned beef just like that. So just gonna stick in the corned beef in there, and after I'm just gonna cut off the corned beef a bit. Guys, I don't know if you guys love corned beef, but oh my god, corned beef and rice is the ballop, in my opinion. It's nice. So that's gonna do. So yes, my beautiful people, so I want to mix around all of that seasoning, the onion, that bell pepper with that corned beef. Then you're gonna turn on your stove very low, because you want your corned beef to melt right out. You want everything to refine and everything to combine together. So now I'm just gonna add pinch of pepper on it. I put in scotch bonnet pepper already, but I'm just having a little pinch of pepper. So it just come in my head, just add a little pinch of pepper on that. So now we're just gonna turn on the stove on that. You don't want a blazing fire in that, you don't want it to burn. And then you put in the lid on that. Rice over here, right over here, steaming, guys. See? As I said before, you don't want a blazing fire underneath your rice when you're cooking your rice.
Say what you want to say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished, guys. This is corned beef and rice. Sometimes you come in, you don't want to cook nothing long cooking. So the corned beef and rice is a very easy recipe. Please give me a thumbs up for the video, people, and please share and like the video, because Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Anybody want to be a patron? I'm gonna drop the link. You can support Selvin Kitchen, because Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, a lot of love, walk good from Selvin Kitchen.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float